So this is the after effect or the aftermath of what has happened to Jamaica, especially the parishes western to Jamaica. And this right now we're looking at Black River, and this is directly where the Eye of Melissa would have passed through. And as you can see, it is just terrible, like the tops are gone. And this is another area, I think this is near Alligator Pond, and you can see where the seagrass is left behind from the surge in island from the waves of Melissa. It is just terrible, people. It's just so bad and it's so terrible. And the surge come on land and caused a lot of flooding, and the winds were very heavy.
This is complete disaster, chaos.
You can see that there's also roofs that have been torn off, and the entire situation is just so sad right now and just disheartening to see. But we know that we are strong and we're resilient people, and we will rise again and we will build again. But the impact of Hurricane Melissa is very significant, and people here, we're feeling it. Now this also is video relating to Black River. The place just looked like, honestly, it looked like Melissa just took all these woods and zinc and just crush it up and spit it back out on the land. It is just so, I don't know, it's such a surprising thing to see, and to know that some parishes did not feel this direct effect as Black River, and now this is still Black River that is being shown, and just the impact the winds had on the house, especially the roof. Right now we're looking at St. Ann. St. Ann saw significant flooding. You can see that there's a car that is almost submerged in water, guys, and this is just some of the things that happened. This is no St. Ann. We're no longer looking at Black River, but it's just so sad. It's just so sad, and it's like we may feel almost overwhelming now, but we will rise. We will rise again. Now here we see Spalding, Clarendon. This is one of the parishes that the flooding was really significant, and as you can see,
this is outside.
The water is in its skalkish suit, as we would say here,
and there are no
Jamaica,
rivers, anything like that near to me.
It's just a lot. This is Hanover. We see trees falling down, which is felt all across Jamaica, everywhere. This is Westmoreland. We see where some tree and it fall down and damage person's property. In this case, it is a gentleman's Voxy vehicle. There's also another vehicle beside it that seemed to probably get a few scratches, but it's not like significant as the Voxy, because as you can see, the damage to the Voxy is just way more. It's way more. So everybody feel this thing some way, some more than others, and unfortunately. But as we say, we build and we come back again. Now I think back in Clarendon, the flooding, which I mentioned before, it is so significant.
lad. Yes, Jack. So.
Montego Bay is another area that's flooding, and it started to flood in late October 28th. As you can see, it was just terrible. This is also a little run around of what Montego Bay is currently looking like down in St. James. Trees everywhere. There's just rooted up trees, and it is, I don't know, do I need to say terrible again? Honestly, guys, I feel so down for the past few days, and seeing this now and hearing about the passing of 4 individuals in St. Elizabeth is just disheartening. And to know that persons are worrying about their family members who are down in Senti. Again, this is the Black River Hospital and the damages that was sustained to the hospital, even because the hospital is right next to the sea, guys, if you're not aware. Another area that was significantly affected, we have Santa Cruz. I saw some extreme flooding coming from Santa Cruz. And persons are trying to help and take away the debris from the storm off the roads.
Alright guys, live. We're here. We're in the weather. We're checking out everything right now. Guys, look at this. Live from Mobile. Check out what I'm going on. Look up. Live from Mobile, guys. Look at this. We're reporting live. Live. Guys, check it out, guys. Check this out, guys. Check this out. This is like a sea. This is a hydrant. Look at this. Check it out, guys.
Here we have some more images from Manning's High School in Westmoreland, where the high school have some significant damages to it from the hurricane. And this is a sky view of a part of St. Elizabeth, and just like we saw with Westmoreland, sky view, trees are down, a few roofs, the tops are gone, and it's just a lot, but we're still giving thanks for life and strength to build again. Now this is the airport down by Montego Bay, where a section of it literally gone because the hurricane took it and water was coming in to the airport and starting to flood out the section for which the rooftop was gone. This is also Montego Bay. This is a hotel in Montego Bay, which, as you can see, has been severely damaged, right? Because Montego Bay got the winds, it also got the flooding, and it's like it's either or either for some people, and for some people it's both, and it's just terrible. It's just terrible. Here we see even a cat, a little kitty, taking refuge in the wrecked hotel because the roofs have been damaged.
The trees, get it.
Now, this video is taken from
Okay.
Mona campus
Look at this.
in Kingston or St.
Completely.
Andrew,
Alright,
and
we're
the
now gonna
trees
plant
have
these
been rooted
trees.
up
Look at these.
and blocking the main
Wow.
gate.
Can't manage this. Look at this. Alright. Nick, your trees.
Betheltown flat. Used to be the barber shop. Cowboy. Post office. Miss Mart. Richie them place. Done. Cash pot place.
Another area in Westmoreland where we can see quite a few damages being done to buildings.
David up this. Boy, I'm shut the fuck. Ah.
So many damages to these buildings. This is in Mandeville, where the car mart, as you can see, the cars are halfway submerged in water, and the flooding is just significant. These are some other shots of homes that have been, of places that have been destroyed. We have light posts being down. We have trees tipping over on the road. The same plies that were being used to cover windows being blown away. And this here is St. Anne again with the flooding. This was the historic Anglican church before Melissa came, and this is after Melissa left.